Hey there, I'm Nikesh from Tech Basics, and today we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to download Bangkok Bank application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, find App Store on your device and click on it. At the search bar, type in Bangkok Bank. Then click on search. Scroll down a little bit till you find Bangkok Bank Mobile Banking. Click on that and click on Get. Then you need to verify with an Face ID, fingerprint or an password. After verification is done, your download will start shortly. After downloading, click on Open. Now you can enjoy your Bangkok mobile banking application. Click on Allow to get notification from this application, or you can don't allow if you do not want to get a notification. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.